So we did this side dish recipe for Thanksgiving not too long ago, and I said it then, I'm gonna say it now, we all have that family member that thinks they don't like Brussels sprouts. I'm here to tell you, Brussels sprouts are magical, especially when you do a black pepper honey pancetta. So good. And like, CJ, do you like Brussels sprouts?
I love Brussels sprouts.
You won't eat fish, but you eat Brussels sprouts?
Correct.
Mostly kids don't like, Ethan, you like Brussels sprouts?
Yeah, when you make them.
This guy. How do you do the hard thing that all the cool kids do?
Stand up.
Come here, handsome. My little one loves Brussels sprouts. If this is, here, take that fork right there, buddy. If this is any testament to how delicious these are, cheers, buddy. Then you probably just don't like Brussels sprouts. Do you like them? What do you think?
1 out of 10? 10.
1 out of 10? 10?
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Let me show you how to make them. I'm gonna start with my pancetta. Now, if you've never had pancetta fat before, it is fantastic. Think of it like really fancy bacon, really elegant bacon. And once you smell it, once it hits the Blackstone, that aroma, unbelievably rich. It's reminiscent of bacon, but nicer, just a little bit nicer. We're like medium heat right now, so let that cruise for a little bit. We want it to crisp up and we want to render some of that fat. Let's get to our vegetables. I'm gonna start with some red onion. Now, you don't need a ton, right? We want less red onion than Brussels sprouts, so I'm just gonna do like a nice little julienne here. Don't worry too much about how thin. You don't want them super thin because you want them to still have a bite. Now onto our Brussels sprouts. I don't get it. I don't know why people don't like Brussels sprouts. They're one of my favorite vegetables. We're gonna cut them in half. Look at it, when you cut them in half, you can really see how gorgeous this little vegetable is. It's like a tiny cabbage. I'm a big fan. However, they do have some bitter, which is why the honey is gonna come in later, but we'll get to that in just a second. Now, once the pancetta is crispy, we're like 80% finished. Bring it over to the cool side of the griddle. Now look at all that stunning fat. This is what we wanted. The pancetta is great, but the fat is what we're gonna cook our vegetables in. So let's go ahead and toss all of those in. A little bit of salt and pepper, never hurt nobody, so just add whatever seasonings you like, just don't go overboard because the honey and the pancetta, they're really gonna shine later. Now toss that all around, make sure you get that pancetta fat all in there, and then we're talking, I don't know, 6 minutes or so, depending on how long you wanna cook them. Here's another thing, Ethan, this is important. No one likes mushy vegetables, any vegetable. Once it turns to mush, that's when it's like baby food. No one likes that. No one likes that. While that's finishing up, let's go ahead and make our black pepper honey. Very simple, it's almost as many ingredients as I just said. We're gonna start with honey, a decent amount of honey, and even more decent amount of black pepper. I know it seems like a lot, but they're gonna play off of each other. That spicy, peppery flavor of can I say peppery flavor of pepper? You know what I meant.
Yeah, I guess.
It's fantastic, and a little garnish, just a touch of chopped parsley. When you mix it in, it looks like stained glass. It's crazy elegant. It tastes delicious, but it looks absolutely stunning. Now it's time to plate. That is it. That's how simple this is. Bring all the pancetta back, mix it all together. I'm gonna go family style because this is, you know, a fun side dish. Serve it family style, and then garnish with that gorgeous stained glass honey. I'm gonna start calling it stained glass honey. Black pepper honey, it'll change your life. It'll change your life. I really hope you try these. I hope you have that person in your life, which I never did. You're right, you wanna come have another bite? If you have that person in your life, here, I'll get you one, buddy, that doesn't like Brussels sprouts, try this one. Oh, you want the onion too? What a champion, little champion. The honey really offsets the bitterness. Actually, Andy, check this out, dude. The honey is so good. I want one more. One more little, how you doing? Oh, look at that. I'm serious, the bitterness is usually what people don't like. Adding that black pepper honey.
I love the honey.
Yeah? So good?
Yeah.
Could you eat a whole plate of that?
Would want one.
Did you get any pancetta? The little bacon?
No.
You like bacon?
Yes, sir.
Try this.
That's real good with the mix.
See? You know, there you go. Thank you guys for hanging out. This is a fun one. If you find those things in your life that you don't like to eat, try it a new way. Try this one. That's all I got. You got anything, Ethan?
No, I just want to be done with it.
There he is, there he is. Well, thank you guys for hanging out. I'm Chef Nathan Lippy. This is Cook, Eat, Repeat, where we like to help you become a better cook. Recipe out of, I got lost in the black pepper honey. You know the sign off. I'll see you guys in the next video. Want another bite, buddy? Get in there.